Good morning, students. We can continue the exercise 15.1. Next question, question number 30. A die is thrown once. What is die? You know that it has 6 faces, correct? In one face, one dot is there. In another face, 2 dots are there. In next face, 3 dots are there. Next face, 4 dots are there. Next, 5 dots are there. And in the last phase, 6 dots are there. So this is the phases of die. Okay, you know that what is die. So this question is related to dice only. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. So if you are taking this, total how many possible outcomes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of outcomes is equal to 6. Okay, we have to find the probability of getting a prime number. So I am writing the prime numbers from this. Prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Here, what are the phases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these numbers, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So number of prime numbers is equal to how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are here. So 3 I written here. We have to find out the probability of getting a prime number. So I am writing here probability of getting a prime number is equal to number of favorable outcome, that is 3, divided by total number of possible outcomes, that is 6. 3 and 6 we can cancel it by 3. 3 by 3 1, 6 by 3 is equal to 2. So answer is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Next, the probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6. So in between 2 and 6, what are the numbers you can see here? Numbers lying between 2 and 6. What are the numbers lying between 2 and 6? 3, 4, 5. These 3 are the numbers, right? So 3, 4, 5. So what is the number of possible favorable outcome? Number of favorable outcomes is equal to how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3 numbers are here. So it's 3. Total number of outcomes is always is equal to 6. So we have to find out the probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6. So I am calculating probability here. Number of favorable outcome 3 divided by total number of outcome is always 6. So 3 divided by 6 is equal to, cancel it by 3, 3 by 3 1, 6 by 3 2. So the answer is equal to 1 by 2. Next, the probability of getting an odd number. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3 and 5 are the odd numbers. How many odd numbers are here? Number of odd numbers is equal to how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. So the number of odd numbers is equal to 3. Next, probability of getting odd number is equal to what? Number of favorable outcome, that is 3 divided by total number of outcome is always 6. 3 divided by 6, again we will get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer of all these 3 parts. Okay. Next question. Question number 14. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So this question is related to cards. Do you know what is cards? So in a set of cards, how many cards are there? Cards are there. So in a set of cards, total 52 cards are there. Okay. So in these 52 cards, you know that heart symbol is there, diamond symbol is there, spade symbol is there, just like this. Okay, spade symbol is there, and after that club symbol is there. Okay, first one is heart, next diamond, next spade, next club. So these are the 4 categories. Total 52 cards are there. So you should familiar with all these cards. Otherwise you cannot do even a single question. Okay. So in heart, how many cards? In heart symbol you will get 13 cards. In diamond symbol you will get again 13 cards. Spade also 13 cards. Club also 13 cards. Again, in these 13 cards, each set has 2 to 9 numbers. Okay, 2 to 10 numbers are there. So total 9 numbers mentioned in each set of cards. Okay, out of these 13, 2 to 10 numbers are written in the card in the heart shape. Again, one ace is there, one jack is there, one queen is there, one king is there. These are the set of 13 cards. Okay, next 13 also you will get 2 to 10 numbers A, J, Q, K. The next set also you will get the same numbers. So you should familiar with all these classifications. Total 52 cards are there. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 spade, 13 club. So out of this 13, each set has 2 to 10 numbers are mentioned. 1A, 1J, 1Q, 1K. These are the distribution of the cards. Okay. So you should familiar with this card specifications. Otherwise you cannot do this question something related to cards. Okay. So what is the question? One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. So out of this 4, you will get 2 red and 2 black. What are the red? Heart and diamond are red cards. Okay, these 2 are black cards. So total how many red are there? This 13 plus 13. Total red is equal to 13 plus 13 is equal to 26. Total black is equal to again this spade 13 plus club 13 is equal to 26. That is the distribution. Red 26, black 26. 13 heart, 13 diamond. 13 plus 13 you will get 26 red. Again spade 13, club 13. This 13 plus 13 you will get 26. Okay, this is the distribution. So you have to find the probability of getting a king of red color. So how many kings are there? In heart, this is red and this is also red, correct? So in heart you will get 1 red. In diamond also you will get 1 red and it is king. So one king is there in heart, another king is there in diamond. So how many possible outcomes are there? You can write here number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to what? 2, because in one heart you will get 1 red king and in the diamond shape also you will get 1 red king. Okay, so total number of cards is always 52. Total number of cards is equal to 52. We have to find out the probability of getting a red king. How many red kings are there? 2 red kings are there. So number of favorable 2 divided by total number of outcomes is equal to 52. 2 and 52 and cancelling it by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 52 divided by 2 is equal to 26. 1 by 26 is the answer. Next, total number of a face card. Find the probability of getting a face card. So total number of face card. How many face cards are there? Face card means not numbers. 2 to numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 face cards are there in heart. 4 face cards are there in diamond. Again 4 face cards are in spade. Again 4 face cards are in club. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many face cards are there? So out of this 4, this A is not face. Jack, queen and king are face. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total 12 face cards are there. Okay. Out of this 4, A, J, Q, K. A is not face. A is simple only. So Jack, queen and king are 3 face cards. Here also 3 face cards. Here also 3 face cards. So you will get the answer is equal to 12. So the answer is equal to 12 divided by total number of outcomes is equal to 52. We can cancel it by 4. So we will get 3 by 13 is the answer. Next. Probability of getting a red face card. Okay. So how many red face cards are there? Red face card is equal to these two are red. In first one, 3 red cards are there. In second red cards also you will get 3 face card. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 6 is the favorable outcome. Divide by total number of outcome is equal to 52. This is the answer. Next, fourth part, the jack of heart. How many jack are there in heart? In heart, only one jack is there. So only one is the favorable number of outcome. So that 1 divided by total number of outcome is equal to total number of card, that is 52. Next, fifth part, a spade. How many spades are here? This is spade. Total 13 spade are there, correct? So favorable number of favorable outcome is equal to 13 divided by total number of outcome is equal to 52. So we can cancel it by 13. 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay. Next, last part, the queen of diamond. How many queen are there in diamond? Only one queen is in the diamond shape. This is the one queen in the diamond shape. So that 1 divided by 52 is the final answer. 1 is the number of favorable outcome. Divided by 52 is the total number of outcomes. So 1 divided by 52 is the probability of getting a queen of diamond. Okay.